Are you looking to start to friction stir weld your parts or enhancing your current FSW production? We're here to guide you. Learn now in 4 steps how to make your own parts with a high quality thanks to FSW. The first step is to study the feasibility of your part. Even if your parts are currently manufactured using a different technique, it's possible to transition to friction stir welding. Rest assured, our experts are here to provide guidance and assist you in co-designing your part. Step 2. The clamping jig is crucial in the FSW process. It holds the pieces together, keeping them aligned and stable during welding. By providing us with technical information about your part, we can design and develop the right tooling for your friction stir welding needs. Our clamping systems, whether global or local, can also be envisioned with automatic functionalities. Determining the right parameters for friction stir weld is a crucial step in ensuring the quality, efficiency, and reliability of the welding process. Rotational speed, feed rate are some of the significant parameters for achieving high-quality welds in friction stir welding. At Stirweld, after welding the first prototype, we conduct a range of in-house tests, including air leak test, weld cross-sections, tensile and bending tests. Switching to FSW is easy when you have the right support. Ready to start your journey to level up the quality of your parts and your productivity? Contact us.